Right, this is Novo 2010 Shop Eye Channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs North, Polokwane City North. Oti, how do you feel about the game namhlanje?
Ngizoqala ngeqhaza igama lami uSibheke wakangidi ngisuka eDube Hostel.
Naso.
Ngizothi nje ngegame I think iqala from start. I-line up yethu sina number 682. Sino Sebe sino Castillo akekho okhombisa ukuthi uyamuva phambili akekho okhombisa ukuthi uyasala mebehamba bonke bahamba so once attacker usala igap alright is fine kulimala uDupreez kungena uWepi Mashane simazi left back but ungena kunabantu abadlala ama right winger nama left winger bangaphandle uyangena egroundini okay is a player but he keep on falling so udinga ukuthi athole i-message from ku-coach ukuthi vuka nje enza 1-2
enye into ukuthi njengoba usho i-left back uHlantu khona lapha like badidana lapha because mina I thought ukuthi uzomake uDupreez afake
uvilakazi
akhiphe uHlanti afake
uMashiyane because bonke yabuka uHlanti wazi umvule indawo lapha uhleli akayindawo i-right back yethu
akamove
number 4 naye akamove ukwinika naye akamove so yipi reason iselele egroundini isele ukuzokora but what uhlele back abantu the time is lose ibhola bakhona attacker in numbers because we left ukuthi ukwinika le we left ukuthi uHlanti always mangaka amabhola angena iside uyaphusha ngene phakathi ashiya umuntu back then raise up hands then I will say for a message for Ukhune we thank him a lot and Ukhune has been there for us for a long time. Sina Telkom Knockout, Sina Nedbank Cup, Sina FNA, and we wish with management isizwe imgcine no matter uzoba i-goalkeeper coach uzoba yini siyabonga.
Nice message. Thank you very much.
Aseli moya sila.